Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Talk, the place where you don't just learn English, you also learn how to transform your life. Today, I want to talk about something extremely important, thinking about yourself always. This is not about being selfish. This is about valuing yourself, protecting your energy, and prioritizing your growth above all else. Listen carefully. Because most people go through life worrying about what others think. They try to please everyone around them. They follow paths that were never meant for them. They spend hours, days, and years living for approval, while their own dreams silently fade away. But here's the truth. Your life is yours. The only person who truly matters in your journey of success is you. If you don't think about yourself, no one else will. Thinking about yourself means putting your growth first. It means taking care of your mind, your body, and your goals. It means making decisions based on what is best for your future, not what is easiest for everyone else. Your energy is precious. Every time you give it away to people who don't deserve it, you lose a little bit of yourself. Protect it. Use it wisely. Stop living for approval. Stop bending to everyone else's expectations. Your parents, your friends, your colleagues, even strangers, they all have opinions. But opinions do not define your value. Opinions do not decide your future. Only your actions, your discipline, and your focus do. The moment you start thinking about yourself first, you take control of your life. Your dreams matter. Your goals matter. Your happiness matters. And if you don't prioritize yourself, no one else will. People will always have something to say. You can't do this. You should follow this path. You are being selfish. Ignore them. Their experiences are not your reality. Their limits are not your limits. You were born to create your own path, to live life on your terms. And to become unstoppable. Thinking about yourself also means saying no to distractions. Saying no to negative people, saying no to things that don't serve your future. Every no you say to what's unimportant is a yes to what matters. Your time, your energy, and your focus are your most valuable assets. Guard them. Protect them. And invest them only in the things that bring you closer to the life you dream of. Thinking about yourself also means taking responsibility for your own life. Stop blaming others for your failures. Stop waiting for someone to guide you, to rescue you, or to give you permission. Nobody will do it for you. Your life is your responsibility, and only you can steer it toward the success you deserve. When you start owning your actions, your choices, and your results, you step into power. You become unstoppable. It also means facing your fears. The people who constantly please others live in fear of judgment, fear of criticism, fear of being misunderstood. But when you put yourself first, you face your fears head on. Speak when you are afraid. Take risks when others warn you not to. Step outside your comfort zone even when it's uncomfortable. Fear loses its power when your focus is on your growth, your goals, and your future. Thinking about yourself requires discipline and consistency. You cannot grow if you constantly let laziness, distractions, or procrastination control you. Every time you push yourself to do what's important, even when you don't feel like it, you are investing in your future self. Early mornings, focused work, healthy habits, learning new skills, all these small choices repeated every day compound into unstoppable success. It also means choosing your circle wisely. The people you spend your time with can either lift you or drag you down. If you surround yourself with negative, lazy, or critical people, their energy will infect your mindset. But if you spend your time with ambitious, disciplined, and positive individuals, their energy will push you forward. Thinking about yourself means protecting your energy by choosing carefully who you allow into your life. Another powerful lesson is learning to say no without guilt. Saying no is not being selfish, it's being smart. Saying no to unnecessary parties, meaningless drama, or people who don't support your growth is saying yes to your goals, yes to your time, yes to your life. Every no you practice is a brick building the life you want. And then comes focus on your personal growth. When you think about yourself, you dedicate time to improve your mind, your skills, and your mindset. Read books that teach you. Watch videos that inspire you. Learn skills that make you powerful. Build habits that transform you. Your growth is the greatest gift you can give yourself because nobody can ever take knowledge, discipline, and wisdom away from you. Thinking about yourself also means visualizing the life you want. See it clearly. Feel it deeply. Imagine yourself achieving your dreams, living on your terms, and breaking free from limits. Visualization is not just dreaming. It is training your mind to recognize opportunities and take action when the moment comes. The clearer your vision, the stronger your motivation to make it real. Thinking about yourself also means prioritizing your health and energy. Your body is your first home, and if you neglect it, nothing else in life will work. Eat well, move your body, and sleep enough. Even small habits like stretching for 10 minutes, going for a run, or doing push-ups compound over time and give you energy, confidence, and resilience. When you care for yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally, you are unstoppable. It also means learning to trust your instincts. Nobody knows your dreams better than you. Your friends may criticize, your family may doubt, and society may tell you to follow the crowd, but your intuition knows the path meant for you. When you think about yourself, you begin listening to your inner voice, making decisions based on what you know is right for you, not what others tell you is safe or normal. Thinking about yourself requires setting boundaries. Say no to people who drain your energy, stop accepting responsibilities that are not yours, and don't let others dictate how you spend your time. Boundaries are not walls. They are shields that protect your focus, your peace, and your dreams. When you enforce them, you create the space needed to grow, succeed, and live life on your terms. Another important habit is learning to invest in yourself. Your knowledge, skills, and mindset are your greatest assets. Take courses, read books, learn new languages, practice public speaking, whatever helps you grow, do it. Every hour you invest in yourself compounds over time. The person you are becoming tomorrow depends entirely on the choices you make for yourself today. Thinking about yourself also means embracing your individuality. Stop trying to fit in or conform to expectations that aren't yours. Your uniqueness is your power. The world doesn't need another copy, it needs the best version of you. When you stop comparing yourself to others and start focusing on your own growth, you unlock your true potential. It also means being unapologetic about your goals and ambitions. When you aim high, people may criticize, doubt, or laugh. Let them, their opinions are not your reality. You don't owe anyone an explanation for pursuing the life you want. Ambition is not selfish, it is necessary. When you put yourself first, you become unstoppable in the pursuit of your dreams. Thinking about yourself means facing challenges head-on. Life will test you, push you, and try to break you. But every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. When you think about yourself first, you don't run from difficulty, you embrace it. Every obstacle you overcome becomes proof of your strength and a step closer to your goals. It also means celebrating your progress, no matter how small. Too often, people focus on what they haven't achieved yet instead of appreciating the steps they've already taken. When you value yourself, you recognize your wins, build confidence, and fuel your motivation to keep going. And finally, thinking about yourself means never settling. Never settle for less than you deserve in life, in work, in relationships, or in your dreams. The moment you start putting yourself first, you stop accepting mediocrity. You demand more from yourself, and the world responds to that energy. You begin attracting opportunities, people, and experiences that match the life you are willing to fight for. So remember, thinking about yourself is not selfish, it's necessary. It is about valuing your time, your energy, and your dreams above all distractions. It is about protecting your focus, taking responsibility for your life, and becoming the person you were always meant to be. When you put yourself first in the right way, everything changes. Your mindset sharpens, your confidence grows, and your actions become unstoppable. Life will always throw challenges your way. People may doubt you. Critics may speak. Opportunities may seem far. But when you think about yourself, you no longer wait for permission, validation, or approval. You create your own path. You chase your goals relentlessly. You invest in your growth. You rise above the noise and claim the life you deserve. Your dreams matter. Your goals matter. Your life matters. Protect it, nurture it, and fight for it every single day. The world will try to distract you, pull you back, or make you feel small, but remember, your potential is limitless. Think about yourself always. Prioritize your growth. Prioritize your happiness. Prioritize your future. And when you do that, you don't just survive, you thrive. You don't just live, you dominate your life. You don't just dream, you achieve. Every step, every choice, every action becomes a declaration. I am here for myself. I am building my life, and I will not stop until I win. So start today. Take control. Put yourself first. And watch how your life transforms in ways you never imagined.